Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I have more of an FYI. It's not so much a tutorial, but I want to show you how you can actually test any of our plugins for free on a Sandbox, admin demo website. So basically you can go to any product page on our website and click access admin demo and you can play around with the plugin for 24 hours and get a feel for it. Instead of like a free trial, you can't really do a free trial with downloadable plugins, but we can offer this new Sandbox feature. So I just want to show you, let you know about it. Some people are already taking advantage of it, and maybe you've already seen it. It's been out a couple months, but I wanted to highlight it just in this video. Okay, so I have a link to that Sandbox site on any of the product pages. In fact, let me just go to that real quick and show you one. Any plugin page like this, you'll see documentation, video, front end demo, and then access admin demo. So that's the button we are going to click. I also have this tutorial where I'm just sort of going over some of the basics, and I do have a link here if you happen to be viewing the blog post here. So kind of how it works, well, it works really simple. I'm using InstaWP for this. In fact, I have a link here for that if you're interested in checking that out. But anyway, so how it works, you'll click this button or this button. So let's just click this, right? So you're going to get a new screen like this in a new tab, and it's going to just say, starting installation. It explains what it's doing there. It won't take too long. I don't know the exact time. I should have timed it. It's usually less than a minute. It does, need to install a brand new website with WordPress. And the way I have it configured, it also has the Divi theme, and it also has all of our plugins installed, and then any other plugin that may be related. So you can see the progress bar there, 40%. I think it usually goes to those same numbers. Yeah. Anyway, there it goes. So again, everything's going to be installed like a fresh WordPress site, and you're going to be an admin. You'll have the Divi theme and all of our plugins. All right, so again, that was definitely less than a minute, I believe. There it says it will expire in 24 hours. That's what I have it set to for now. I can change that from my end, but I think that works pretty good. So here you go, right? You'll be able to go over here. You could click on plugins, and you can see, I have Divi Assistant, the Carousel Maker, Contact Form Helper, Dynamic Helper, Events Calendar, Image Helper, Responsive Helper, Search Helper, a lot of helpers, Social Sharing Buttons Maker, Table of Contents Maker, Tabs Maker, Taxonomy Helper, the Divi Timer Pro, which that will get renamed to Countdown Timer Maker. And then I have the events calendar for our Divi events calendar. And I have advanced custom fields installed, and then this other plugin. And I have this for just my site. Anyway, so all the plugins like Divi Assistant is right there. That has its own menu. But as far as like pages, let's see, I think I set up a page. See, I can set up like a base site, and that's what you get installed. It like copies that base site for each time you open this demo, right? So yeah, I made a page here for each one of these. This is kind of a work in progress, but I know there's one that I was working on. That's the dynamic helper. So I'm going to view that page. You can treat this like your own site. You can create a page, your own test page, right? And I have this here just because I'm still trying to think through like what would be a helpful demo, like what would be a way to explore what our plugins offer, for you, like what would be the best way to do that. So I'm still in that process, but so here I have like the video module set up for our Divi dynamic helper, right? So I just have all these examples of different ways that you can inject, a video dynamically. So I'll show you that since I'm on this page. In the back end, I have these custom fields assigned to this page. And all I'm doing here is showing you that, hey, all of these different types of videos work with custom fields. And it's just, all I'm doing is showing you like, hey, explore around, see what you can do. Here, let's just enable the builder to show you that it's each module, each of those video modules is linked with the dynamic content feature in our plugin, right? So like here, so video text field URL. So I just have that, and you would come in here and link it like that, right? And it's that simple. This is a video module in Divi. Other things, let's see. I think I have this like plugin switcher here, like the contact form helper. So I have a basic form. I did not add extra fields. I should do that. You can enable that and look at all the extra fields that plugin adds. Again, just like literally do anything. Another thing you could do is go to the back end. Oops. Go to the back end to like some of the plugins have settings and theme options. Like here, responsive helper, contact form helper, dynamic helper, social sharing, taxonomy helper. The contact form entries are here. So yeah, it's kind of like a free for all. Like you can do whatever you want. It's like a free trial before purchasing if you want. And again, I'm using InstaWP. It's a really cool service. I'm paying for it, but there's a free plan, but gets you a couple of different sites. But anyway, works great for this kind of sandbox. You can, like I said, play around, edit pages, add the module, set up the theme builder. Yeah, you have access to the latest Divi theme and our plugins. I'll try to keep them updated. They should be almost on the latest. Sometimes I forget. Yeah, play around as much as you want. You can go click on any product page at any time. You don't have to do it now. You can do it whenever you're looking at a plugin. All right, so I hope that's helpful for anyone who's trying to make a decision, if a plugin is the right fit for your needs. Now you can do that. It's kind of just something I wanted to do. Hopefully it answers your questions. Like if you're playing around, you can still send me pre-sale questions, of course, but hopefully that is helpful to get first-hand experience. I know for me, I love when I'm looking to buy a plugin when they have this, so I was really glad to get this set up. All right, let me know any feedback or anything. I want to probably set up like a front-end demo and the back end, like have a more complete demo, like of each plugin, have like move all my demos of the front end to that website. I think that would be cool because then you could like literally view the front end and the admin of the same demo site. So that's kind of in my plans. If anyone wants to help with that, please let me know. But yeah, and if you think that's a good idea, let me know as well. All right, I appreciate you all very much. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.